Hello everyone, welcome back to our REVIT classes. On this video, I'll be showing you how to make roof on our designs. Talking about roof, basically what you need to know about roof is we need to be discussing about roof, how to create roof, and then the different types of roof we have, and how to do some basic setup about our roof. Stay to the end as you understand different type of roof and how to make them a reality in your building depending on your design. Remember to give me the subscribe button, like and share this video. Okay, we'll be talking about roof. Okay, this is our project that we've been working on from start to finish. I want to give a guide on how to do a design. It's a basic simple one bedroom design. Okay, so in creating your roof, you go from your elevation anywhere you are. If you are from your floor plan, you can still go to your 3D elevation and then turn it, toggle this down to the top here, and then you come here to architecture. Under architecture, you click on roof. When you click on roof, which level do you want the roof to be on? Okay, we have not set our concrete pressure for now. Let's just click on provide cost in the topest place where you have it. So when you click here, you're going to sketch your roof. That's the size, the specific roof edge where you want the roof to be. So you can use pick plane, you can use sketch, but I prefer using pick plane so that I can be able to offset and then it will be more than one. And I'll say 100 offset so that I can be able to get my roof properly well managed. So let me click here. Always zoom it very well so that you check the direction where it's been pouring out, and then you click on it. So from here, making it very simple. So check here, you're having degrees, that's the angle. If you want to leave it at angle, you can be able to click here and then change the slope. So for now, let's leave it as our slope at 30. So see, that's one beauty about REVIT. Now it have automatically generates my roof. So I can come here again and then edit it to the particular space that I want. Always remember, see the thickness of this roof. Where on earth would you see this kind of roof, my dear? So what you will do, you have to edit this roof and give it material and size. Click on it and then you go to indicate, put roof 1 for instance. Okay, click on edit, click 0. I'll leave it at 1 or 0.225 aluminium 0 at best you get 0.9, 1.2. We'll just leave it at 1 millimeter thickness. You go to category, same way you used to edit your wall and other things. This is how you do it. Okay, create material, go to right click, then rename it roof. Then go to your next icon, click on appearance, scroll down to roof. You see your roof. Okay, roofing. Click on roofing. These are the different types of roofing materials that we have. So let's just select this one for the Spanish. Then click on apply and okay. So automatically edit itself. See? Click on it, then extend it up like it flush very well. See, this is how to work. Create your roof using what? Using REVIT architecture. The creating roof is very simple, but we have a challenge because that's not the only type of roof we have. We have different kinds of roof. So as we go, we'll be reviewing them and then we'll be making them as the classes go. So what I want to show you how to create a linked wall roof. So this wall is a parapet roof or a linked wall roof. How can you achieve it? Like before, just create it. For instance, this particular roof now, the linked wall. Let's go back to edit now. Okay, let's assume that this is where the roof is sloping now. Stand back. The roof is sloping backwards. That's the way our design is. So what you will do now is you click on these lines, select them, leave the slope sides where you want the slope of the roof to go. So this one, you are going to come and click the fan slope, click on it, and then this particular you are going to give it a slope. You know, link to wall, you know, be more than 10. Well, let's just use 5 for instance, the slope now. So we finish it. This will work. You see, this is what is happening. So this is how this roof will look like. So if you are doing linked wall now, so you are going to click on here and then attach to this. Okay, attach to this. Yes. You see what I'm doing here? Yes. So if this is the type of roof you want, so this is what you click on it now, and then you attach it to your base now, and click here, and then attach it to the base, for instance now. Click on it. So it will go like this. Attach top, base. So I just know we have it. This kind of platform that it will go like this. So this is how you will make it to go. So you click on this particular place again, and then attach the base of the roof, and then click on it now. So this one is happening. What is happening? So I've already what? Done my roof. Yes. See? So if this is what I want to design now, for instance, I'll be able to circle it up. Let me finish it here, and then let's use my trim, and then let me finish it like this. Let me click on here and click on here and delete it, finish it. So this is my roof. So over here you see I've not designed my concrete fascia, that's why it's staying like this. So if you say I've designed my concrete fascia, similar for the concrete fascia, but I'm just giving you tips on how to go about it. This is how to create roof, and this is how to go about what? Flat roof. So this is flat roof for us. So I'll say let's do undo now, since we're already getting the idea, and then leave it to our normal basic roof settings. Yes, so you can save our project. Come on, continue. See, our house is going. Wow, we're making progress. We're going to finish this house to the end, and let's see how it will appear. Wow, this house is almost getting to an end because we have done what? Our floor, our walls, our column, our roof, and everything. So this is how far we can go for today, basically talking about roof. So if you find this video interesting, then give me a like, so comment, and then share to people so that people will come. Thank you very much. Meet next on our video.